Hi all and welcome back to Amelia Finance. Today I want to go over the three main roles of Agile. I just did one on what is Agile and one about the PMP and what it's looking for in relation to Agile. So those might be good to take a look at and then come back to this one. But right now I want to go through what are the three roles. Those three roles in Agile are the product owner, the team, and the Scrum Master. The product owner holds the vision for the end results. They have the KPIs that they're looking to do. They're responsible. Often these KPIs, these key performance indicators, weigh heavily in the product or what they're delivering, and both in the product of the delivery item and also in their annual review cycle. They are listening closely to what the customer is saying, what leadership is saying, the stakeholders, understanding what features, what functionality would add value or just delight the customer is a phrase that's often used. And so they're listening and they add all those to the backlog. And from there, because they have this bright, beautiful vision of the future, they go and they streamline it and build that MVP, that minimal viable product, or the subsequent phases of where they are in the product or the project. And so the backlog is simply the wish list of everything that's possible. And so for them, they need to go and they need to streamline that and really make sure that the key, most important things are being delivered and delivered at a good time, right? In a timely manner. Second key role is the team. So that could include the developers, the business analysts, stakeholders, leadership, customer, anyone that has a say in the development of the project, anyone that's needed to support the project. Those are all part of the team. Some of them will be involved in the day-to-day interactions, some only at perhaps the retrospectives or at particular launch states. But and so some of them will have different levels of visibility and accountability in the project. Thirdly, you have the Scrum Master. Before I dive into this, the Scrum Master and the product owner are usually different people. It's very rare that they would be the same person. It happens once in a while, but it's better to have a clear delineation of duties because their duties, though there is overlap, it builds a better product or delivers a better thing usually, having them different. So the Scrum Master really glues the team together. They're looking after the team, they're seeing how things are going, they're understanding the vibe of the team, they're making sure the right people are speaking with each other, that the team knows what they're doing, why they're doing it, when they're doing it. They're mitigating conflict. Perhaps they're applying Tucman's model of forming, storming, norming, performing. That's a really good philosophy to apply. They're looking forward with the product owner, so they also have a vision, but their vision of the product is what they're taking from the product owner, and the Scrum Master is more focused on the day-to-day operations, so daily stand-up calls, running the regular cadence meetings, sprint planning, retrospectives, product launches, reporting to leadership, if you play planning, poker, or any sort of estimation techniques, kicking off the different phases of the project, closing, opening the project. That's what the Scrum Master is more involved in than with the vision that the product owner is providing. None of these roles are more important, and they're all needed to make sure that you have a successful Agile project. So with that, thanks for watching Amelia Finance. Like, follow, ask questions. Thanks all.